Why do McDonald's, Coca Cola, and YouTube all use red? And why do Facebook and PayPal stick with blue? These colors aren't just random, they are controlling how you feel, trust, and even buy. What if I told you that design isn't just visual, it's psychological? Today, we are diving into how colors are secretly influencing your decision without you even realizing it. Hey folks, welcome back to Graphicsia. It's me Harijit, and today's video is gonna reveal the sneaky little ways in which the colors used by brands are controlling the way we think, we act, and even the way we buy things. Let's start with red. It grabs attention, signals urgency, and stimulates appetite. That's why it's everywhere. McDonald's, Coca Cola, Netflix, YouTube. It's fast, bold, and emotional. And now yellow. Yellow, on the other hand, sparks optimism and cheer. Combine it with red, and there you go, the perfect combo for hunger and happy. Think McDonald's again or Lay's. Blue. Blue builds trust. That's why it's the king of tech and finance. Facebook, Twitter, PayPal, LinkedIn, all blue. It calms the brain, reduces anxiety, and says you can count on us. Ever wondered why hospitals use a lot of green and white? Green is the color of healing, and white signals safety and purity. These choices aren't random, they are calculated and backed by decades of color psychology research. But here is a plot twist: the color psychology is not universal. In many Western countries, white is associated with purity, and in many Eastern countries, white is associated with funerals. In China, red symbolizes luck and happiness and not danger. And that's the reason why you see a lot of red in their home and decors. So, the global brands change the color palette depending on the culture they are dealing with. It's a smart move, right? Colors aren't just pretty, they are powerful tools. And if you start noticing them in your daily life, like in ads, apps, packaging, you will see how often you are being influenced without even realizing it. If this blew your mind, wait for the next video where I'll decode how fonts and typographies are also tricking your brain. So hit that subscribe button, give a like, and send this video to that one friend who's always curious about designs. And of course, if you want to learn how to use these tricks, my tutorials are here on Graphicsia. You can learn from them. See you in the next video.